Welcome to Bray Yacht Design and Research. My name is Pat Bray. We are naval architects specializing in yacht design. Our work is custom design. We take our clients' exacting requirements and produce a vessel ideal for their family and lifestyle. We've been making dreams come true since 1974. We bring you excellence in design and outstanding performance with every new project. We do extensive model test and CFD programs and are best known for our serious long-range motor yachts, although we have done sailboats as well. There are many aspects of the design that must be considered, including government regulations and classification rules. Elegance and practicality are matched seamlessly together with safety, seakeeping, and performance. This results in serious offshore cruisers that can take you and your family safely and comfortably from Alaska to Mexico or across any ocean, no matter how far. Our sleek exteriors show distinct style unique to each owner, whether it's an explorer or motor yacht. Each vessel is a unique approach to meet the individual's exacting requirements. We use 3D modeling to combine the art and science into one seamless ocean-going form. Our advanced hull technology with fuel-saving appendages enhance efficiency. As well as improve seakeeping, there is a 30% saving in fuel consumption. Fixed active stabilizers and enclosed shaft skegs all provide a practical solution to a demanding lifestyle. Each project starts with an innovative concept. It is followed by research and testing and thoroughly engineered structural design, with complete management of the project, all the way through to final details, and finally successful launch and sea trials before leaving for a lifetime of happy cruising. All of our boats are ocean proven and owner approved, and we've been making these dreams come true since 1974.